Well, I woke up in a hotel room with my baby on my mind. I've been traveling on this lonely road so long I've lost the time. She's been waiting and wondering and wishing me home. I've been staring at her pictures on my phone. I'm just trying to get home to see my baby tonight. Yes, I marked this day in my heart and soul so many long weeks ago. It's true that we chat online sometimes, but it makes me want to see her more. She's been hoping and hurting and holding on, smelling my t-shirts while I've been gone. I'm just trying to get home to see my baby tonight. Well, the day has come and I'm on my way to see the love of my life. Once I feel her in my arms again, everything's gonna be alright. She's been a yearning and a burning and a turning inside. I've been waiting forever to be by her side. I'm just trying to get home to see my baby tonight.
When we get to the airport, we go out to
Senorita, what's your name? Take a ride on my one-way train. Goes downtown, but gets there slow. Take a ride on a one-man show. Get your love on the line. Get your love on the line. Senorita, if it's all the same, get your ticket on a one-way train. Goes downtown, and don't you know, get a seat, cause I'm ready to go. Get your love on the line. Get your love on the line.
I was on a train in the middle of the city. Saw a girl sitting on the floor with the headphones on. She was humming a tune, looking as happy as she could be, nodding her head and closing her eyes and singing the song she was singing. And the sun broke through the windows. Now everyone's humming along. She got everybody singing that universal song. I was on a cruise in the middle of the ocean. Was sitting alone at a table for two. The band was on a break, cause the singer, he was late. But the second he got on stage, started singing that same old tune he was singing. And everyone ran out to the dance floor. They were shaking their hips and moving along. He got everybody singing that universal All the scientists and linguists and astrophysicists tried to decipher the sounds that were coming into their ears, but all they heard was they started moving their shoulders too. They all agreed that that's what we should do. Now everybody in the world singing. They got their hands up in the air. Now everybody's getting along, 'cause everybody's singing that universal song.
이걸 못 찾아갖고.
You mess with me, boy. You are the cause of all my stress. You've been ignoring all my texts. It's getting harder to avoid that funny feeling in my chest. Can't help but wonder what's coming next. And I've been staying up and getting all worked up, yeah, until sunrise. Thinking about all the times you've got it in my mind and all of your signs. Tell me honestly, what do you want other girls to be? No more fronting, that's gonna lead to nothing. And I don't know what to do. My message isn't getting through. 1 minute you're gone, I never keep track. Is this all I got? No, I don't know why.
나 못 살려줄게.
언니 왔어. 아니 손 흔들어줘. 언니 안 돼. 저기 손을 못 썼어. 나 여기서 잡고 가진 게 아니고 안 예뻐. How long is Japanese food?
Just here?
Yeah, thank you.
See the view?
I've been waking up too early just to lose some more sleep. I've been hiding from my pride while I'm looking for a change. Oh, but what if I change my mind? Will I find my wasted time? There's somebody I look up to, I could only hope to be. If we had the conversation and know exactly what he'd say to me, what he'd say to me. He would say you'll be alright. If you know where to turn to, you'll lose this fight. If you don't
Sunny June, I heard the birds were singing, but I tossed and turned, a feeling I can't explain. Town, tell me why she have to look my way. Wanted to throw some paper, get drunk with my friends, do some damage to my brain. But then she came along, one smiling, I felt. Why do I gotta be so lucky? Why'd you have to be so pure? Question all my good intentions, but with you, oh, I'm so sure. Tasted the fruit and smelled the flowers, just bad and not, and girl, I'm yours. Cause in the garden, that's your skin, I'll be dreaming, that's for sure. Tell me
Been a mess, been in love, been a lot of coming and going, in a phase, in a rut, but I'm cool. I'm flying like Superman high, life looking different through my eyes. Promise to show you a good time. Those can get lonely and that's why you gotta get high sometimes. Ooh. So come and meet me on the other side.
하나, 둘, 셋. 아니. 하나, 둘, 셋.
So many fish in the ocean, they say. So when will the wind blow you my way? Is that to make shy love? Is that to make shy love? So let's pretend that we can do this. So let's pretend that we can. Cause it's how to make shy love. One wish in the right direction will lead me. One wish in the right direction to you. Did you get home late? Did you think about your ex today? I know that you've been trying to work on that. Did you feel lonely? Did you maybe almost call me? Did you bore your friends with stories like I have? Cause the last time we talked, didn't know how much to say. You said maybe we should talk less. It's more than not at all. I'm not saying I don't want this, I'm just terrified is all. Well, if it were up to me, we'd be, but darling, it's your call. So I guess that we should talk less. It's more than not at all. Things are going good. I played some shows, I read a book, and saw the dog we liked across the street.